In class we've been doing probability. We have been counting ordered and unordered selections. So you have been doing it a long way sort of thing. So today we're going to learn how to use a sharp calculator where you just put it in and it works it out for you. The most important question that you need to ask yourself is it ordered or is it unordered? So remember, I've taught you that if it's ordered, so the order matters, it's called a permutation, and that's why it's got this NPR. If you look on your calculator above the 6, there's a little NPR thing. Wow. If it's unordered, you'll see the number 5 has an NCR, N for Nelly. Okay, so you'll see that the N stands for total number of objects, and that's what you've got to choose from. So if I have a horse race and there's 22 horses in the race, then that's what that number will be. And if I need the 3 winners, 1, 2, 3, the R will be 3. So I've put up an example. A museum has 7 paintings by Picasso and wants to arrange 3 of them on the same wall. So that would be position 1, position 2, position 3. So order matters. So you'll see that the key word here is arrange, and we have 7 paintings and 3 of them are going to be on the same wall. So this tells me that I have 7 elements, so 7 things that I can choose from, and my R is I have to arrange 3 of them. So this looks like this, if I'm to think about how I'm going to put it in my calculator. So here's the calculators that we use. I know it looks a little bit different, but it's the same concept. So you will see that all I need to do is press 7, second function, and see where the NPR is on the 6, and then 3 equals 210. So this means that there are 210 ways to arrange the 3 paintings on the wall. So we'll write that in our answer. 210. So if this was in the exam, I would write there are 210 ways to arrange 3 paintings on the wall. So our second type of probability sort of question is the unordered. This is when it doesn't matter, and we call these combinations. So in class I've asked you to think about ice cream bowls or basketball teams, and you'll see that that's what I've got written down in the examples. Okay, so my example is this person is playing poker, and in poker you get 5 cards. You have to remember that there are 52 cards in a normal deck of cards. So that's probably what I need to write down here, because that is the number of things I get to choose from. There's 52 cards. So when you play poker, you only get 5 in your initial hand. So the question says, how many different hands could the player have been dealt? So this is a bit different. This is an N, C for combinations, and then R. So that's what it looks like, and it is on the number 5. So for us, it is going to be N is 52 and R is 5. So I'm going to show you how to put that in your calculator. So here we go. 52, because that's how many things we have. Second function, you'll see the NCR is here, 5. And then we have to press 5 again, because that's how many cards I'm going to be dealt, equals. Wow. This is why it's nearly impossible to win poker. So how many different hands could the player have been dealt? It looks like we have 2,598,960 different combination of 5 cards in a hand.